when we come to nature, we connect with nature. The spot they have chosen is the Relay Dam, so it's very beautiful spot.
It's new experience for me. I just see first time किया है ऐसा कुछ. Overall new environment मिला, कुछ नया देखा.
मैं अराउंड 50 किलोमीटर अभी ट्रैवल करके आया हूँ विद सिंगल बैटरी. 2 रिमूवेबल बैटरी है. आप एक बैटरी पे भी गाड़ी चला सकते हैं विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम.
So we cleaned up the riverside area, the catchment area. It was a pretty happy experience and it's good initiative, so people can join such activities in their weekends and try to keep nature clean.
That we are connecting our VIDA family. There are lots of other persons are there. We are connecting each other.
VIDA, powered by Hero MotoCorp.